How to make money with AI music in 2026. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about AI and the advancements of what it has brought into today's world with music. Now, music, as we all know, is a very subjective area. Okay. And it is something that expands into broader categories. You have rock, you have pop, you have metal, you have house, you have jazz, and so much more. Now, what you can do is actually make money out of music. And the best part, you don't even have to be a musician. Okay. What you can simply do is you can use the power of AI to help you along the way. Okay. And the power of AI is so strong that it really gives you a pretty standard and strong idea on how you're going to want to work your way through all of this. Now, basically, to get an idea of what we're doing today, we're going to be using Suno.com. Now, Suno AI is basically an AI that allows you to generate music out of a single prompt, okay? And everything is totally AI. The guitars, the bass, the drum, the vocals, every single thing is AI generated. And trust me, you're going to be surprised with the actual workflow and the actual results that it provides us. So, to start off with this, what we're going to do is you're going to come to Suno and create an account. Now, Suno is totally free to work with, okay? It has 3 different plans. There's the free plan, which is what we're going to be working on. There's the pro plan, which is $8 a month, and you get access to almost all the features. And then the premier plan, which is $24 a month, and it has the maximum credits and every feature unlocked. Now, of course, we are going to be using the free plan for ourselves, so I'm going to go ahead and back out of this and go over to create. Now, once you come over to create, over here, you're going to start describing your song. So let's say I want to go ahead and create a funk song, right? So let's go with funk, pop, and let's go with 140 BPM. Let's go with funky and prominent drums, funky guitar with, let's go with bluesy tone. Then let's go with grooving bass. And let's go with something like operatic male. Let's go with deep vocals. Okay. So we're simply going to write that in. Now, if you only want it to be an instrumental, you can take this in if you want to, but I want it to be an actual song. So once we've done that, you can choose the version you want it to create it on. Now, obviously, I can only use the version 4.5 all, which is the free model. So we're going to choose that, and we're going to click on create. Now, once you click on create, it starts understanding the prompt, and almost immediately it gives you the generations. Now, the best part about Suno is that on the free plan, you get 50 credits. And per generation, you're going to get 10 credits deducted. So as you can see, it gave us 4 variations of what I've asked it. And these 4 variations have 2 of them on the higher version or the higher AI that it uses, which you can only get on the upgraded plans. Okay. So we have 2 of these, and then we have 2 of the normal ones. Now, the one where you get the upgraded version is the one where you're only going to get a minute of the preview. If you want the full song, you are going to have to upgrade it. But on our very own plan, it will give us a full-fledged song. Okay. And that's the best part about using something like this. So let's go ahead and actually see the generation it's created for us. In most cases, you're simply going to wait for it to load in. Okay. And once everything has loaded in, this is how it sounds.
moving slow, coat on fire. You look at me, I grin. Talk, I just lean. My mouth knows how.
Now, as you can see, that is all AI. And it's pretty mind-boggling because you're thinking all I added was a simple prompt. And that is what I get from it. Incredible, right? So once you have your whole song, what you can do from here is you can actually make changes to it and variations to it, or what you can do from here on out is actually download it, okay? And once you download it or publish it, from here on out, you can actually go ahead and upload it to your Spotify, maybe your YouTube, and generate money for it. Now, one thing that you are going to want to have an idea of is that Suno will take rights from you. So in the case that you have the free plan, Suno will get all the rights for the money you're making. But if you have the upgraded pro plans, you can use Suno's music for commercial rights and commercial use, and you won't have to pay Suno a penny from what you earn from it. Now, moving on, you can also go ahead and make changes to your song, okay? And you can do that by going into the actual Suno studio as well, but of course, that is something that you can use on the upper plans. You can remix, reuse a prompt, you can sample a song with another song, or you can cover it in any other style. So you can say cover it, and let's say I'm going to go with rock, okay? So let's say I'm just going to write rock, and I'm going to click on create. And what it does is it takes that specific funk song, and it turns it into a whole rock ballad. Pretty incredible, right? And this is the fun part about using songs like this. It gives you a good idea on how you can change genres as well, and how you can, keep the vibe going when it comes to the general music idea. Okay. So once all of this is done, keep on going ahead and relining your prompts. Keep on going ahead and creating things until you find a proper banger that you can go ahead and upload and know that, okay, this is definitely going to go viral. So once you have a good, strong idea of all of these things, go ahead and start making money of the internet using your music that was generated through AI. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.